Hey guys, today we're showing you our Bars Bugs car wash with Protectant. We spent more than 12 months testing and developing this product. The result is a car wash with a careful balance of powerful cleaning and exacting care. We packed in all of the latest car wash technology into this product, and because it is made locally rather than imported from the other side of the world, it won't break the bank. Bars Bugs car wash contains cleaning agents that are tough on dirt but mild on paintwork. These agents prevent loosened dirt from redisposing while you wash, so this means you can get the job done quicker. Our formula leaves behind a nano-thin protective layer of advanced polymers. This layer protects the paint just like wax and allows water to sheet off the bodywork quickly and reduces water spotting. Unlike some other car washes, our product doesn't contain wax. Why? Because wax can build up on itself, especially on glass after repeated uses. The result of this is a hazy build-up that makes the windscreen glass and surrounding windows harder to see through. To use Bars Bugs car wash and Protectant, wet the whole car with a hose. Fill a bucket with water while adding 4 caps of Bars Bugs car wash and Protectant and mix together. Sponge on, wipe the dirt away and hose off. The result, not only a clean and shiny car, but one that is now protected from the elements.